The pressure put on men to last longer in bed is epitomized in modern pop culture by rapper Missy Elliot, who sings how she doesn't want no 1-minute man. It's no secret that most men have an easier time reaching orgasm than women. That, coupled with the fact that premature ejaculation is the most common sexual disorder in men under 40, means you may frequently find yourself unsatisfied once he's finished. It can be a real letdown to realize his fun is over before you've hardly started. While you could get him to finish the job by some other means, another solution is to help him last longer in bed. The most guaranteed solution will be at the end of this list, so make sure you watch it till the end. Number 5. Switch up the positions. If you have a go-to move that always gets you off, switch it up. Skip this. And this. Cosmopolitan suggests missionary or girl on top, which can help many men delay the finale. Number 4. Use a condom. Ask a guy who doesn't like wearing condoms why he feels that way, and he's bound to tell you, it doesn't feel as good. Sex with a condom definitely feels different, and you can take advantage of this to get yourself to last longer. The sensations on you will be slightly weaker with a condom on, which might translate to longer sex sessions. But still, make sure you lower your thrust. Number 3. Jack off. A round of vigorous foreplay before sex can work wonders. Not only can you orgasm, which might make you more likely to come again during sex, but ejaculating before the main event should delay the finish line. For many guys, it takes a certain amount of time to recharge, which means you should have plenty of time to be satisfied. Number 2. Try pelvic floor exercises. You've probably heard of Kegel's exercise, which are exercises that help strengthen your pelvic floor muscles and improve your chances of orgasm. It turns out, these same exercises can help treat premature ejaculation in men. Research presented recently at the European Association of Urology in Stockholm found that simple pelvic floor exercises improve premature ejaculation rates after 12 weeks in most men. Try doing the exercises together for maximum benefits. However, do not overdo it. And number 1. Take it slow. If you want to last longer, man, you're gonna have to start slow, and go slow. Aim for one thrust every few seconds, then gradually, like, every 2 minutes, take it up a notch, to the point where there's a thrust every second or so. If you feel like coming, stop thrusting and wait a few seconds until you gain control of yourself and start up again. Guys, this is the most guaranteed solution. It's all about control of the situation. It will take 2 to 4 weeks from now, but the great thing is that practically everyone can reach this level of total control within a relatively short time frame. Again, subscribe to get the third part of this series. Like and share this video with your friends.